Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Turbotax, you know how important it is to keep your account information up to date, especially your phone number. Whether you've switched carriers, got a new number, or just want to update your contact details, today I'll show you exactly how to change or update your phone number in Turbotax step by step. This is the full Woo 1025 guide, so stick around until the end and you'll be set in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head over to the official Turbotax website. In the top right corner, you'll see the sign in button. Click on it and log in with your username and password to access your dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look for your profile options. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it at the top right of the screen. From there, select Intuit Account. This will take you to your main account settings page. Next, click on Sign In and Security. This section holds all your login and security information, including your phone number, email, and password. Now, scroll until you see the phone section. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the option to update or change the number linked to your Turbotax account. Type in your new phone number carefully. Double check that you entered it correctly, especially the area code. Turbotax will usually send you a verification code by text or call to confirm that the new number is valid. Once you receive the code, enter it in the verification box. After that, make sure you click Save Changes. This is a step a lot of people forget, and without saving, your update won't go through. And that's it. Your phone number is now successfully updated in Turbotax. So that's how simple it is to change your phone number in Turbotax for 2025. Keeping your number updated makes sure you don't miss important security codes or notifications from Turbotax. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and drop a comment below if you ran into any issues. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.